Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm gonna do a pour. This is on a 22 by 28 inch Artist Loft canvas. I already have my base flooded here with white Artist Loft's acrylic flow. The colors I'm gonna use are SoHo's Dioxazine Violet hue, SoHo's Magenta, and Arteza's Pearl Electric Blue. I'm just going to use those three colors. I'm going to do, I don't know, with the blow dryer technique, Dutch pour-ish, I guess. I want to kind of come this way and then maybe have a little line going up that way and see. I've been watching a lot of Canela Sirocco's videos and I just love the different angles that she's been doing lately. So I just thought I would give it a go. I just seen a hair. So with that, I see a dip here in the middle. It's not gonna really matter because I'm gonna blow dry that out anyway, so. All right, so, oops, some air bubbles in there. I do thank everybody for joining me today. Hopefully you will like and subscribe and all that fun jazz. But yeah, let's see here. I keep finding little goobies. I strained them with Floetrol, but sometimes they get through. All right, so I'm gonna go with the Dioxazine purple or violet first. Hopefully I don't pour out too terribly much. And then I'm gonna do the magenta. And the Pearl Electric Blue. All right, torch this real quick. I'm trying to get some nice pieces done here for the craft show I'm going to be in. June 5th. I'm pretty excited. It's my first one, so I'm pretty excited, and yet I'm a little nervous too. Just want to be prepared, and yeah, I'm not really sure. We'll see what happens. But I've been getting things ready, so hopefully I'm just getting nervous because it's getting closer. I'm sure it'll be okay. If not, I'll learn from my first one and do better over the next one. All right, so I'm going to put a little music on so I can blow this out. Hopefully I can get it to go really well. Otherwise, I do have some paint left back, so if I have to kind of work with it, I will. I can do that. So I'm going to start this way first and then come back because I want to blow a little bit here and then go like that. So I'll blow this way first. love, love the colors. It's beautiful. All right, I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. I'm trying to decide if there's too much negative space over here, if I need a little more, but I don't know, I think I like it is. Sorry, everybody. I have my camera thing turned the wrong way, but so look at those cells. They're so pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. Those colors are so vibrant. Look, those cells are amazing. Y'all have to tell me what you think. Yeah, I don't know. I'm debating on if I need more here, but I don't know. I kind of like it. Maybe just a little bit more here. I don't know. I might mess with it a little bit, and then I'll put it at the end of the video here if I do anything. If maybe I won't. I don't know yet. But I do thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed my video and you will like and subscribe. And tell me what you think in the comments below. So pretty. I'm loving these big cells that are in here. It's really cool. Yeah, but hopefully everybody is being healthy and safe from COVID, and hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye. Okay, so I did mess around with it just a little bit down here. Right over here. Just brought it out a little bit to kind of make it not so uneven. I really like it now. I really love it. I'm still loving all the cells. All the vibrant colors are awesome. But I definitely like it better now that I have just a little bit coming out this way. I still have some negative space on both sides, which I'm loving. But yeah, you have to tell me what you think. Keep being creative. Bye.